We can test these lights from home using the plexus.net website. I will show you how that's done. So we're on plexus.net. We just log in. If we click on the top right and search for our site, Tafe Miller, then we click go to site, we can see, we go to emergency lights, device master list. We can see the live status of these 4 lights. We can see that they've all passed within the last 30 days. So everything's good on this site. If one of these lights were to fail, that will get updated live on the device master list on the Plexus website, lamp failure right there, so that we can check before we go onto site. We're going to need another lamp, and we bring that to site, so we've got everything we need before we even get started on our job. If you want to create a test report, you can see the logbook here. Here's that test report that I generated earlier on my phone. Everything is available online. And if I want to generate a new one, I create a new AFSS testing schedule whenever I want, and then that will generate a new report for tomorrow or later tonight. I'll just set that up now. We will start testing at 11 p.m. from tonight. And tomorrow morning, we'll have a result ready, and you'll be able to see that online. If you go to the logbook entry, if you go to the 3rd of February 2026, you'll be able to see the report that we made just now. That's it. You've learned everything there is to self-testing products, automated products. What you can do now is test it yourself.